Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking around an installation that we've just carried out on a brand new 21 plate Jaguar F Pace. We're going to be going through the whole install, exactly what we've done on this car, plus the reasons why you guys should get yourself booked in with us to install this dash camera solution. It's something called a Thinkware U1000, front and rear with a battery. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with all of our future videos. In terms of the solution of what we've got installed here is a 4K image quality front dash camera, an exceptionally high quality dash cam, one of the best products you guys can buy on the market currently. It's exactly the same system that I've got in my current car at the moment. There's a reason why I use this system. I'll be going through all that in today's video. In terms of the system, it's really easy to use in terms of the application, and that's actually been highlighted on another video we've done. Link for that is in the description. What that video is basically going through exactly how to use the Thinkware cloud application. Connectivity via your phone is so essential nowadays on new products, but it's one of those things you've got to know how exactly it works. That's why we've made that other video, to show you exactly that and how easy it is and what sort of features and functionality you're getting from this dash cam. Also, the spec list can be found on the Thinkware website, but get in touch with us, we can go through all of that in a bit more detail. In terms of the system, it's a 4K image quality dash cam, really nicely installed, hidden away, plus we've got a physical cable run all the way to the back of the vehicle, and that's where sort of the main concern with a lot of installers have. In terms of the system, what's actually involved in that is actually removing of the spoiler to get the cable run extremely neat. Basically, spoiler comes off, and that's where the factory wiring runs through, and that's why we go in that same location. Yes, it takes more time. Yes, it's more difficult to do, but the results are exceptional. No cable runs visible. Everything run through the way the factory would have wired it if it came out of the factory. Really, really essential that gets done professionally. It's not something that can be done generally sort of mobile, because you need a couple of people to hold that spoiler to do it safely. It definitely needs to be done in workshop environments here in Cambridge. That system basically physical cable run all the way to the rear camera, which is really discreet. It is positioned just outside of the actual sweep of the wiper on this occasion. We can move that across, but obviously then you've got a long cable run into the mirror just because of the way the wiper sits. Obviously, it just means you've got to keep your car clean. It's not too much of an issue, but we go through all of that with the customer beforehand, go through everything in a bit more detail. So that's how it's designed on this car. Works really, really nicely. And then the main thing, this car is now protecting not only on the road, but also while the vehicle is parked. What we've also got is something called a Thinkware ivolt battery. What it is basically taking the power source away from the vehicle completely. Basically, it's picking up power from the vehicle into a battery, charging that up. It takes around about half an hour, 40 minutes to give you a full charge, which is about 16 hours of recording, which is exceptional. What that is, the battery is completely hidden away, you don't need to see it, and what that is basically the dash cam will draw off that while the vehicle is parked. And then what happens once that battery is finished, in terms of it's depleted its battery cells, what happens is the dash cam will just stop recording. And that's very, very important, that there's zero draw on your vehicle's battery when that vehicle is parked. So you're not going to have any battery issues, you're not going to have a flat battery. So it's very, very essential that that whole system is installed very professionally. That's all being done to the highest possible installation standards today on this particular vehicle. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. But thank you very much for watching our very short video. If you're interested, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.